Welcome to video lecture series on subject serving. Today we learn the topic fundamental parameters and uses of total station of modern serving techniques. So in previous lecture we see the geographical information system, then remote sensing, application of remote sensing in civil engineering and electronic distance meter. So today we learn the topic total station. A total station is a combination of electronic distance meter instrument and electronic meter. It is also integrated with a microprocessor, electronic data collector and storage system. The instrument can be used to measure the horizontal and vertical angle as well as sloping distance of the object to the instrument. The total station is a compact instrument with a weight of 5 to 5.5 kg. A person can easily handle and in the field. A person can easily handle into the field. Total station with a different accuracy in angles, measurement and different range to measurement are available in the market. Then measurement of distance is accomplished with a modulated microwave or infrared carrier signal generated by a small solid state emitter within the instrument optical path and reflected by a prism reflector or object under a survey. The modulation patterns in returning signals is read and interpreted by an board computer in total station. The distance is determined by emitting and receiving the multiple frequency and determining the integer numbers equivalent to the target for each frequency. Most of the total station use purpose built glass monoprism reflector for EDM signal and can use to measure the distance of few kilometers. Reflectorless total can be measure the distance to any object that reasonably light in color and to a few hundred meters. Nothing but you can use the that prism uh, without that is the prism. Okay, it nothing but the you can see the different uh, parts of the accessories or instrument related to the prism. If you see, this is the prism, so you can use the thermal total station without prism also. So in that situation you have to bisect the any object in number of that is in kilometers. Okay, then total station and its parts. So these are the some part of total station. First is the handle, then handle screw. So one by one you can see a handle, screw, data input, then battery cover, operational panel, tri-batch clamps, and leveling foot screw, circular level adjusting screw. Another is display, objective lens, tubular compass slot, optical filament reflector covers, optical filament eyepiece, horizontal clamp, horizontal fine motion screw. Okay, so data input, external power sourcing connector, plate level adjusting screw, vertical clamp, vertical fine motion screw, telescopic clamping screw, pipe side, then the instrument center mark. So these are the different instrument parts of the total station. Uh, then we see accessories. Already we see the accessories of the uh, total station, that is a prism, this is the tripod, this is the prism poles, batteries and chargers, data power cables, that is input or we can when at the time of the taking the readings all the data are saved, then these can be input by using these cables, tri batches. So these are the tri batch. So this tri batch is at the bottom of the your total station. So here this is the display, this is the slow motion screw, this is also slow motion screw, this is upper, this is the lower sides. So at the right side there is a slow motion, or we call it as a fine motions screw. So we can adjust. This is the eyepiece, this is your telescope, and here the vertical circle. When the vertical circle is left of the observer, it is the face left. When the vertical circle is right of the observer, it is the face right. Okay, as we know that. Then operation of the total station. So first, total station you have to get cell, as we know that it is placed over the tripod stand, then centering, leveling, then removal of the parallax. These are the some operations related to the total station. Then transaction are controlled with made either through their built-in keyboards, or through keyboards, or handle data to the collectors. Details for the operating each individual transaction vary somewhat, and therefore are not described here. The accuracy is achieved with the translation is mainly depends on the operator procedure of careful centering and leveling, accurate pointing of the targets, taking average multiple angles measurement from both the direct and reverse position. Important operation of rotation is distance measurements. So electronic distance measuring instrument is measure the part of rotation. So if the range can be varies from 2.8 km to 4.2 km, the accuracy of the varies from 5 mm to 10 mm per kilometer measurement. The use of the automatic target recognizer, the distance measure is always sloping distance from the instrument to the object. The process is capable of applying the temperature and pressure correction to the measurement if the atmospheric temperature and pressure are supplied. Then another is the use is the angle measurements. So here is the also the you can measure the angles. It may be horizontal angle, it may be vertical angle. For measuring the horizontal angles, any convenient direction may be taken with the reference direction. For vertical angles, the measurement is upward, that is we call it zenith direction, and is taken at a reference direction. The accuracy of the angles from varies from 2 to 6 seconds. Then data processing. The instrument is provided with the inbuilt microprocessor, and the microprocessor average multiple observations with the help of the slope, distance, and vertical angles measured when the height of the axis of the instrument and targets are supplied. The microprocessor compute the horizontal distance in x, y, z coordinates. Then in display unit capable of displaying the various value when the respective keyboards are pressed. In electronics books, each data can be stored in capacity of electronic books varies from 2000 point to 4000 points. Data we can save in that electronics book. Okay. Then advantages of advantages of presentation is accuracy of very high, field work is accurately or very fast process. Then the manual error can be eliminated, calculation of coordinate is very fast, and even the correction for the temperature is also possible. Computer can be employed for a map, making the plotting contours cross sections can be easily done and can be calculated. Then another is detail survey, data collection, control survey, height measurements, and fixing missing any station sticking out. Area calculation is can be also done. Remote distance measurement and missing any measurement can also done in the total station. So thank you for the watching this video. Thank you.